Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So we've had the pullback. That's pretty much all that happened yesterday, was just a pullback, and if you look at price this morning, it does look like we're trying to find support here. Just bear in mind this is a fairly crazy zone that we're in, and what I mean by that is you look and see how often through the year we have sort of swung above and below this zone, and we'll get the exact pricing now, but just so you can see all the way back to May, you can see how we used it as resistance here, broke through, tried to use it as support, broke through, tries to use it as resistance, then support, then just no structure, then support, then we broke through, and now we've broken through again. So the question is it going to flip into support? Pay attention to your moving averages. They are starting to cross over here on the 8-hour. Oscillator's not helping us with any structure, but this to me is, I just want to put one more level in here. So it's got to find, kind of messy, so we'll just pick this, we'll pick the pin bar. That's probably best thing we can do. So that's the level to the upside, C level to the downside. Right, so when we drill down through the time frames, we have our levels, you'll see a little bit of structure. So first thing you're going to notice on the 3-hour, look at the oscillator, separated quite nicely and busy crossing over. This is a clear buy signal on the 3-hour. And we have come down onto this 18,344. It looks like inside bar there, but after hours trading at the moment, so I'm not going to read too much into that. Yesterday on the hour was pretty much one-way traffic to the downside. Yeah, as we expected, we were looking to find support on structure. So we have, I just want to add one more level here because we do have a little zone there, as you can see. There's the downside, 18,344, and there's the upside, 18,356. Oscillators crossed over on the hour, and you can see after hours we came into the zone and just hovered around here. Now we're railing. So for me, from the 15 minutes, could be a break, but I would want to see price come back and either test this area at 18,358, or it needs to come back and test whatever structure breaks that it's happening at the moment. So this is the futures gap, which will be down the bottom, right in the zone. It's 18,358 roughly, but then the actual cash market will be somewhere. It will be somewhere in this cluster here. So at the moment we're pretty much on just where the cash market closed. So this downward trend is also broken, just bear that in mind. So we're looking for an opportunity to buy. I'd like to see us revisit this 18,365, 18,358, 18,350 for an opportunity to buy back into this. The other option is going to be it'll break, come back and test any one of these tails. So the one that's very visible at the moment is this level at 18,378. So clear break above it, come back and test it. You're looking for an opportunity to buy. What are you aiming for? You're aiming for the top here at 18,473. Could range, continue to range today, and it could also just drop further down to 18,282. But I don't think it's going to happen. I think we've found the base, we've broken the sort of flag structure here on the hour. I think you're looking for a break and pullback for an opportunity to get in. I think that's kind of my take on this. Just bear in mind it is going to be, or it can be volatile, just depends what catalyst comes out to drive price today, just based on the volatility we had over the last couple of days. So be cautious, always keep your stop in, and that's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow.